So we are off to Kent. We're on our way for a weekend away in Faversham to visit Tom's brother and sister-in-law. So we have some fun activities planned.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach today, I think, because it's hot. We got bowls tonight.
Yeah.
Lots of cricket.
Yeah, lots of cricket. All right, so we've just made our first stop at a little service station. And of course, we had to get Greg's. And where's yours?
Have that, man.
Tom's already had his.
Yeah, Brianne took too long to get her coffee, so
Yeah,
I ate mine.
so I got Costa and a fake. What'd you get us, Tom?
Bacon and sausage roll with ketchup.
That's always our go-to order.
Cheers.
We're at Weatherspoons in Ramsgate. We already ate all our food, but, well, Sophie didn't. Look at the views.
We're about to go on a beach day.
Yeah.
Just finished lunch, had a few drinks, and this. Entrance from the pub.
Wow. Unreal.
Cheers. Well, thank you very much. Everyone here at the beach has just seen
Round of
what we've managed
applause.
to do today. We've thrown it probably 120 yards with a slight tailwind. Just like to thank my fans, Soph, Bree and Tom. Yeah, thank you very much for coming out today. Cheers.
Good job.
Hello.
Hi. So we're off the beach and we're on our way to Bowls. You excited?
Yay.
That's going lovely.
Wow. Come on.
Oh, I thought I was on it.
What do you think of your performance?
Average.
So, what do you think of your performance?
Not that great, but not that bad.
Not that bad. You missed one, Tom. We are on the way to the airport.
It is the hottest day in the UK ever.
In history.
Ever. Like 40.2 degrees. And that's where we're going, Heathrow.
Yay!
And we've just slept through the hottest night ever
recorded
in the UK. We are now in an air-conditioned car for the first time being in aircon.
What a luxury. Yeah.
It's fine.
Basically, the rest of the weekend, after Bowls, what did we do?
On Saturday I played cricket, then we went out.
Yeah, to the
and
club.
got a pint.
Yeah, we went and had a couple of jugs.
Then me and Chris went stargazing at night, which was fun.
Yeah.
And then Sunday we went in the sea again because it was hot.
Yeah.
And then we had a
that was
barbecue.
nice. It was Sophie's sister's birthday and we had a barbecue. Yesterday, Chris and Tom worked from home and then we all went out to eat together at
Ask.
and then we went to the beach, which was really nice.
Yeah.
Insert photos here. And now we're on the way to the airport and I'm going home.
And it's off.
So far, my flight is scheduled as normal. We'll see what happens since it's so hot. Apparently, flights are being delayed, so.
That's it. Now we got like 45 minutes to go.
Yeah.
Bye.